Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can copy any website and turn it into a Woocommerce store theme. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins and then click on Add New. A new page will appear. From here, navigate to the search bar in the top right and type WP Clone Theme or Theme Copier plugin. Install and activate the plugin. Now open the website that you want to copy. Use a browser extension like CSS Peeper or Website Copier to grab the layout, styles, and structure of that site. Save the files and download them to your computer. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and use a page builder plugin such as Elementor or Divi. With the help of the builder, recreate the layout by importing the HTML CSS files or manually designing the same sections such as header, banner, product grid, and footer. Once the design is ready, link it with Woocommerce by going to Appearance Customize Woocommerce and adjusting Shop, Product, and Checkout pages to match the copied design. Finally, save your changes and open your Woocommerce shop in a new tab. You'll see that your store now has the look and feel of the website you copied. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.